Welcome to our channel where today we solve PlainsCapital Bank login issues in the simplest way. Welcome to our channel where today we solve PlainsCapital Bank login issues in the simplest way. If you are struggling to access your account, don't worry because we have a straightforward step-by-step guide to get you back online fast. First, start by checking your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause login errors. Make sure you have a reliable and secure network before trying to log in. Next, verify that you are using the correct website or mobile app. PlainsCapital Bank's official portal should be your only source to enter your credentials to avoid phishing scams. Third, double-check your username and password for any typing mistakes. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so be accurate with uppercase and lowercase letters. If you forgot your password, use the Forgot Password option available on the login page to reset it safely. Fourth, clear your browser's cache and cookies if you are accessing via a web browser. Old cache or cookies can prevent proper login by loading outdated data. Fifth, update your browser or mobile app to the latest version available. Outdated software may cause compatibility issues with the bank's website or app. Sixth, disable any VPN or proxy services temporarily while attempting to log in, as they sometimes interfere with secure bank connections. Seventh, make sure your device's date and time settings are accurate. Incorrect date-time can cause security verification issues during login. Lastly, if none of these steps work, contact PlainsCapital Bank's customer support for personalized help. They can assist you with account verification and resolving complex errors. Following these simple steps usually solves most login issues efficiently. Remember to keep your credentials safe and avoid sharing your password with anyone. Thank you for staying with us and learning these essential tips for PlainsCapital Bank login troubleshooting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more practical solutions and helpful guides.